Thank you for joining us and learning how to pay off a lien in myPATH. To begin, please open your web browser and type in mypath.pa.gov. Scroll down past the black logon box at the top until you reach the Payments panel. From there, click on the Pay Off a Lien hyperlink. From here, you will want to click on Search for a Lien and then click Next to continue. Now, myPATH will provide you with two options: Pay My Balance or Print Statement. The Pay My Balance option offers the ability to locate a lien and pay the liability online. The Print Statement option offers the ability to search for a lien, forecast the liability, and print a statement. Please note, the printed statement is not an official lien balance due notice. There will be no letter ID generated for future payment on this statement. We will begin by demonstrating the Pay My Balance option. From here, use the drop-down box to select one of the following ID types: Decedent's Social Security Number, Federal Employer Identification Number, Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, Inheritance CC File Number, or Social Security Number. Next, enter the corresponding ID number based on the ID type you selected. Next, you will select the payoff date. You can either type it in or click on the blue calendar to select your payoff date. Please note that the payoff date is the date your payment will be withdrawn from your account, or that date you intend to return to myPATH to make your payment using the Search for a Lien Pay My Balance option. Once you have completed everything on this screen, click Next to proceed. On the lien payoff forecasting screen, the liens found will appear in a list. The total balance due will appear at the top of the screen. Please note that certain lien types may not appear in your search. If liens are missing or the information on the screen is not correct, please email the Bureau of Compliance at ra-compenforfaxes@pa.gov. On this screen, click the boxes in the Select column to indicate which liens you wish to pay. Then, click Next to proceed. The next screen is where you will enter your payment information. Enter your last name and your first name in the fields provided, and enter your associated business and phone number if applicable. Next, enter your address in the field provided and click the navy blue Verify Address button. Please note that you will not be able to continue without verifying your address. From here, you will begin to enter your information in the Payment Channel field. Select your bank account type, which will either be checking or savings. Enter your bank's routing number and your bank account number. You will have to enter your bank account number a second time for verification purposes. In the Payment field, the payment date will auto-populate to the date you listed earlier in this process. Select to pay either your current balance, which is the total amount you have due, or Other Amount. If you selected Other Amount, enter the amount you would like to pay. Enter the amount a second time to verify. Once you have finished, verify all the information that is on the screen and click Submit to proceed. Now, a confirmation pop-up box will appear. Enter your email address for the statement confirmation. Enter it a second time for verification purposes. Click OK to proceed. Your official confirmation screen will appear with your payment amount, the date you submitted the payment, and your effective payment date. Please take note of your confirmation code to keep for your records. If you would like to print your confirmation screen for your records, click the Printable View button. Additionally, an email will be sent to the email address you entered during payment. Now, we are going to review how to print a statement of your liens. After navigating to mypath.pa.gov, scrolling past the black logon box to the Payments panel, click on the Pay Off a Lien hyperlink and choosing the Search for a Lien option. Click on the Print Statement option on the Lien Search Options page. Once again, use the drop-down box to select your ID type, enter the corresponding ID number, select a payoff date, and click Next. Once again, on the lien forecasting screen, select the liens you would like to include in your statement. The total balance due will appear at the top of the screen. Again, please note that certain lien types may not appear in your search. If liens are missing or the information on the screen is not correct, please email the Bureau of Compliance at ra-comporfaxes@pa.gov. Once you've selected the liens you wish to include in the statement, click Submit to proceed. Enter in your email address. Click OK to proceed. It is important to note that a statement will not be sent to the email address that you included in the pop-up box. You must click on Printable View to generate your lien statement. Please note that the statement generated is for informational purposes only. It cannot be used for future payments. If you are prepared to pay off your lien, please return to mypath.pa.gov and choose Pay My Balance, or contact the Bureau of Compliance at ra-comporfaxes@pa.gov for an official lien balance due letter ID. Please remember that personal income tax payments of $15,000 or greater and business tax payments of $1,000 or greater that are not submitted electronically are subject to a penalty of 3% of the face value of the check up to a maximum penalty of $500. Please reference Pennsylvania 2021 HB 952 for more information about this penalty.